Hello, this is Santa Rose, also known as Aspel Rose, and this is a walkthrough of the Being Present video. Please do not do this walkthrough while driving your vehicle. Are you sitting comfortably? Take a deep sigh. And bring your awareness to how your clothes feel against your skin, how your jewelry feels, how your hair feels. If you're wearing shoes, how they feel on your feet. Notice the texture against your skin. Become aware of how the seat you're sitting on is supporting you. Whatever furniture you're on, notice how it supports your body. Relax into it. Notice the floor underneath. Perhaps the floor is underneath your feet. Become aware of how the floor is supporting you, and the floor is supporting the furniture you're sitting on. And now become aware of how the building is supporting the floor, which is supporting you. Bring your awareness to how you are supported by the building. And then perhaps you can stretch your awareness to how the ground is supporting the building. And the building is supporting you. So now you're aware that the earth and the ground is supporting you. And then take another sigh. And take a moment to notice what it feels like to breathe in and breathe out without changing your breath. The atmosphere is supporting you. You're deeply and fully supported by the earth. Gravity in the ground supports you. The atmosphere supports you with your breath. You're fully and completely supported. You're fully and completely present all the way in your body. And you're aware that you have free will, that you have free will to choose to become aware of how you're supported by the earth any time of day, whenever you need to be reminded that you're present and that you can be fully in your body and be fully present in the moment. Taking a moment to notice what it feels like to be fully present in your body and fully supported by the earth and fully able to use your free will to direct your life. Make choices that are in your best interest and the best interest of those around you, and to bring light and love into the world, because that is why you're here. Taking another sigh. You may bring your awareness back into the room that you're in. If you closed your eyes, open them again and look around and say out loud today's date, the day of the week it is. If there's a clock or a watch or a phone, look at the time and say aloud what time it is. You are present right now in this moment. And now you can begin to think about what is the best next choice. What is it you're going to do next? And now you're ready to go and do that very next thing. Thank you.